Welcome, family and friends, to Pagan's Beauty. I hope you enjoy watching this purple hair transformation. My formula is 20 volume and bleach, and of course with some Olaplex. I always start highlighting in the back of the head around the hairline. After I highlight the hair diagonally, I feel like this method gives more coverage and it looks more natural, and this is why I use this diagonal method in the back. To get beautiful results, it's always about the details in the highlighting. Family, I am so thankful that you're watching the video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so you can continue to see all the videos and hit the bell. This whole highlighting process, it took me honestly about an hour to finish it. This technique I used to highlight her whole head of hair. I really hope everyone is finding this video easy to follow. Friends, also at the end of the video, please let me know what was your favorite part about it. I would love to know.
I can't think. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't.
This is how the highlight should look once it's processed.
What am I supposed to do?
I start off by applying the purple toner to the hair that I just previously lightened. Saturating the color evenly is what's going to get you those bold results. I process the color under heat for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Then you pull it through the ends and process for 15 more minutes. Beautiful results. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, friends. Bye.